Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add HTML code to your Wix website. It's really fast and easy, and without further ado, let me show you. Right, so first what you need to do here is to go to my sites, that is on the top left corner, and then of course you need to select the sites that you want to add a HTML code, and then you will be redirected to another page here like this one, and then you need to press edit site, and then you will be on Wix editor, right? And when you are on the Wix editor, then you need to press on this plus icon that is on the top, not the top, on the left side, all right? And then you need to look for embed, right? Embed, and the first one is embed a widget. Use HTML code to add widget and apps to your site. So press on it, and then you will get a little square here. So you can expand it whatever you want, but on the top left corner of the square there is enter the code button. So press on it, and then here you need to put the code. So for example, if I put this code here, subscribe button, and if I go back on Wix editor and add the code and update here, as you can see here, this is working, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.